What's up, guys? So welcome back. Today we're gonna be installing this Catback Invidia exhaust on my Q50. So right now we're gonna give you a cold start to see how it's gonna sound after and before. So let's go. So that was before. So now we're gonna be lifting up the car, which my brother already is doing for me. And we're gonna get shit done right now. We already have the car up in the air, so we're gonna work ourselves up from the top and down. So we're gonna take out this one first, which you're gonna need a size 14. My little brother's already helping over there.
Alright guys, so you're gonna have to remove these bolts from the harness to hold down the exhaust or something. It's in the middle of the car, so pretty easy to spot. What size is it?
They're 12.
So 12. How many bolts?
4.
4 bolts and it's gone.
Down, Kevin.
Alright guys, so we're gonna start unbolting the axle back. It's a 14. Real easy. 2 bolts.
Where's he gonna do it?
So that's the old one. There's a new one. They already put in the front. I got all my homies, my brothers helping me out here. They're putting the front one right now. Check it out. Alright then guys, so this is going to be the first cold start after installing the Invidia Catback. Alright guys, so that was the before and after of the immediate Catback. So if you guys like it, I mean it ain't loud at all. It's perfect. It'll have no drone inside. In the highway it just sounds like perfect. If you guys ain't looking for nothing like too loud, or you just want something like, you know, settle, ooh, that's a perfect Catback right there, you know. So I don't know what's gonna be next, or just subscribe, like, comment, and see you in the next video. Peace.